Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by blocking shapes to lock in scale and perspective. Draw a vertical cylinder for the palm, about 3 units long, and mark its central axis so you keep alignment. Next, place 5 rounded rectangles for fingers. Angle the thumb roughly 45 degrees outward. This gives a natural thumbs-up pose. Once done, establish a horizon and a single vanishing point to foreshorten the fingers correctly, because perspective determines how each segment will sit in space. Now you build volume and clarify motion with joints and contours. Start refining fingers by adding knuckle ellipses and tapering each of the 3 phalange segments. This creates believable bending. For the thumb, sculpt a saddle-shaped base, a short cylindrical metacarpal, and a rounded tip. Indicate the nail plane so orientation reads at a glance. Use contour lines and cross-sections across the palm and digits to visualize rotation. Make sure to darken surfaces that face away from your finish by cleaning edges and applying light logic to complete the illusion. Ink or darken your final contour, then erase construction lines so the silhouette reads clearly. Lay in soft cast shadows under the thumb and between fingers, plus a core shadow on each digit using 2 to 3 value steps. This makes planes pop. If proportions still look off, here's the fix. Lengthen the thumb metacarpal by 10 to 15% and realign knuckles. This corrects a stubby thumb without altering the pose.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.